Imagine holding the ultimate power of a desktop computer right in the palm of your single hand. No bulk, no heavy bags, no compromises. For years, the tech world has looked at small tablets as simple media viewers, devices meant for casual reading or passing time on a flight. But right now, a massive shift is happening inside Apple's secret labs that is about to change everything you know about portable computing. This isn't just a minor refresh or a simple step forward. This is the story of a device that defies the laws of its own size. This is the upcoming Apple iPad mini M5. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the longest time, the iPad mini was treated like the middle child of Apple's tablet lineup. It received updates whenever Apple felt like it, often leaving it years behind the latest iPhone or iPad Pro models. When the previous version dropped with the A17 Pro chip, it gave users a taste of desktop-class architecture, but it still felt like Apple was holding back. The true dream for power users, gamers, and creative professionals has always been a pocket-sized device running true M-series Apple Silicon. That dream is no longer a fantasy. Leaks, supply chain movements, and strategic shifts within Apple's hardware ecosystem confirm that the tech giant is breaking its own rules to put their absolute premium processor into their smallest form factor. To understand why this is a massive deal, look closely at what the M5 chip actually represents. Introduced as the gold standard for high-end laptops and elite-level pro tablets, the M5 chip introduces a brand new processing architecture. It features what engineers call the supercore, designed to destroy single-threaded benchmarks while running cooler and more efficiently than anything before it. When you drop this level of power into an 8.3-inch chassis, you are effectively turning a notebook replacement machine into a pocket rocket. You are giving mobile filmmakers the ability to edit multiple streams of 4K or even 8K ProRes video while sitting in the backseat of an Uber. You are giving graphic designers the freedom to render complex, multi-layered 3D objects on a train without feeling a single stutter. The immediate question most skeptics ask is about thermal management. How do you cram a chip built for intensive computing into a chassis that thin without turning the device into a literal hand warmer? Apple's engineering team had to completely rethink how heat is dissipated in compact devices. By utilizing advanced 3-nanometer architecture alongside a completely redesigned internal thermal layout, the iPad mini M5 manages heat gracefully. The aluminum housing itself acts as a massive passive heatsink, directing thermal energy away from the core components without needing a noisy, battery-draining fan. This means sustained peak performance for long periods, allowing you to push the hardware to its absolute limits without encountering the dreaded thermal throttling that ruined small electronics in the past. For gamers, this upgrade is nothing short of a revolution. Mobile gaming has traditionally meant playing scaled-down versions of popular titles, stripped of complex lighting, textures, and physics engines. But with the M5 chip's advanced GPU architecture, hardware-accelerated ray tracing becomes standard on an 8.3-inch screen. Imagine playing true console-grade AAA titles with ultra-realistic reflections, dynamic lighting shadows, and incredibly high frame rates, all while holding a device that weighs less than a pound. It renders graphics up to 30% faster than previous mobile architectures, turning your small tablet into the ultimate portable console that leaves traditional handheld gaming systems far behind in the dust. But a spectacular brain requires